Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, we are going to take a look at the ReelCraft. As the name suggests, this software is mainly focused on creating reels. These are some of the samples that you can see created using this software. All you have to do is give a prompt and it will generate all the images and the voiceover and background music. Everything will be done in under 2 or 3 minutes. So that's what the software can do for you. And the good thing is this is now available for a lifetime deal, and you will also get voice cloning feature. That's the main reason why I chose to give it a try. So I felt like that was a good value proposition for me, so that I can use my own voice for all these videos just created. So that's just the introduction of what this can do. Now let's look at the pricing. And I just bought this $59 plan in order to just test this out. And for that I get 250 credits per month and 10 GB of storage and one voice cloning voice per month. That means I can store one of my voice. So if you want to store different voices, you need to go for a higher plan with more credits. So that's how the pricing goes. Now let's look at how this actually works. So all we have to do is type in a prompt and it will generate the script. It will generate all the scenes for us. So we have three options: 4K images, then there is a 4K animation, and then 3D animation. And here if you click, you can upload your own background music. If you are not happy with it, you can also adjust the ratio for 9:16 for short videos or 16:9 for YouTube videos. And here is where you have the option to clone your voice. And as default, you get voices like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 8 voices, and when you hover it, you can see it's female, American, the nature of the voice as well. So let's just preview some voices in order to assess the quality.
Change in all things is sweet.
Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile.
I'd rather regret the things that I've done than the things that I've not done.
Work while you have the light. You are responsible for the talent that has been entrusted to you.
Love is like the wind. You can't see it, but you
She
can
said
feel
slowly and
it.
softly. Welcome to tea culture of the world, where passion meets purpose.
Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration.
Don't settle for a relationship that won't let you be yourself.
The voice quality is good. We'll choose this voice. I like this voice, and we'll just click on submit it. I will also show you how you can clone your voice or add your own voice as the background in the next, when I do the next video. For now, let's view this voice and how it works. And the content type is, we have different content type. There is like concept explanation, stories, historical, travel blog, biography, a poem, wish, quotes and thoughts. So let's do something like concept explanation for this video. And you also have the option to select whether you want to keep this video private or public. So like otherwise it will come here, I guess. And okay, now let's create a video about I'm just giving a simple prompt, the story of dinosaur. Let's see what it comes up with. Just click on create, and as we selected, it's a concept explanation. And so transform the given idea into a story. Don't change my script. You can also give your own script, or you can also enhance the script which you already did. For me, I'm lazy, so I want to transform the given idea into a story. So I want the software to write the full script for me. So I'll just click on continue. Now all you have to do is wait so that it will go and create the script, create the images. add the background music, and gives the voiceover all in a matter of minutes. So I got a message like the video is ready, but still it's showing that it's generating. So I will just refresh the page. So now the story is ready. Dinosaurs, the gigantic creature that roamed there. So it came up with like a 103 word story. Probably it will be under 1 minute. So this is the storyboard and the scenes that it's created. So if you don't like the scene, you can just delete this, or if you want to do some further editing, you can do that as well. You just need to type in here. So I don't want to change anything here. I'll just click on save, and these are the if you want to delete scene, there is the option. If you want to add a scene, you can actually type in the script, and you can give the prompt for the image generation. You have that option as well. So if you just want to add an image, you can give the prompt here about what you want to see in the image, or you can upload your own image with the same aspect ratio, or you can type in you can search from the library. So dinosaurs. So I just typed in dinosaurs. So as you can see, these images are from Pexels and Unsplash. So these are the images that if you just click on select, you just then click on continue, you can select the image and just click on save. The image will be saved. So a new scene is added here. Let it be there. So finally, if we want the music volume high, we can adjust that. So let's just keep it under 5 or 7. Here you can also upload your own music by clicking in, and it will open up your system. So I will just click submit, and if you want to change the voice, if you want to change the sound, you can just come here and click this pencil icon, and you can type in your script as you like, and just click here, and you can actually select your voice or the AI voice that you want. So that functionality is also available. Once you have done the edit, you just need to click on the video, and the video is now being generated. So here in the information section, you can see that it's a concept explanation video. The duration is around 53 seconds, and the ratio and the music is ambient, and the voice selected is Rajesh. And if you click on the share button, you will get a link also, which you can share publicly as well. The initial step took around like 4 minutes. Now I am waiting for this to finish as well. So again, I got the message that your video is ready. So let's just refresh and see the actual video. As you can see, the video is ready. I'll just play it for you so that you can also see the video. Since it's just a small video, I'll play the full video.
The dinosaurs, representing a diverse group of creatures, ruled the Earth during the Mesozoic era, between 230 and 65 million years ago, leaving a lasting imprint on our planet. They varied greatly in size, diet, and habitat, pointing to a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. Some were herbivores, some carnivores, while others omnivorous, reflecting the diversity of life in that era. Today, their fossils provide valuable insights into Earth's history, helping us understand more about different species' evolution, their extinction, and past climate change patterns. Through the scientific exploration of paleontology, the study of ancient life, we've uncovered fascinating facts about these creatures and continue to make new discoveries.
So how the final video will look like, you can also enable the caption. Let's see, font size. Let's select the font size as 5, single word. So let's just save it. Again, it's going for video generation, so it will again take 3 or 4 minutes for this to complete.
The dinosaurs, representing a diverse group of creatures, ruled the earth greatly, were vibrant and
When I edited the captions, I did not get an email notification, so I just refreshed the page, and when I click on this, we have now like new option like caption. Here, if there is some mistake, we can easily change that word by word. So just click on done and save. Again, it will go for like generation.
the dinosaurs, representing a diverse group of creatures, ruled the earth during the Mesozoic era, between 230 and 65 million years ago.
So as you can see, there is some kind of a bug here. The captions are not working. It might be like a term bug, but I don't know. These are the options. So if I just copy the link and if I open this in an incognito window, let's see how it looks. So you can, as you can see, you just click this link and play the video, and there is like a snap button as well. So that's how the sharing works with links. And if you want, just click on the download button, and
The dinosaurs,
the download will start. It's like an MP4 file with the 28 MB file size. So if we want to upload, use the option to directly connect it with YouTube. Once you connect your YouTube, you can add a title. The description, the title and the description are all pre-filled. You just need to select the keywords and just click on upload, and the upload will start. If you want to further edit the video, you just need to click this button. You can, as you can see, there is like it here where you want to edit, and you can add an overlay image. If you want, you can just like add an overlay image here, just like this. If you want, and you can also drag and drop it. So just the minimal amount of editing is available here. So if you don't want this, you can just click that close button and it will be removed. So that's the editor part. Now go back to the video and look at the 4K images. Now let's look at the 4K animation. This will take 25 credits. So for 4K image videos, you can produce like 10 videos. But with 4K animation videos, you get like 5 videos with the current plan that I am in. So in order to get the plan details, you can go here. Like you can see the number of credits here, and the voice clone is also 1. I am at the tier 1, and I get like a GB storage as well. So this is where you can see all your assets, and the dashboard where you can see all your videos that you created. So now create another video, how the moon was created. So let's just give that prompt and just click on create. This is like a explanation. Transform the given idea into a story. Transform. Okay, I want to transform the given idea into a story, and let's just click on continue. The ratio is 16:9. I didn't see the option to change the ratio.
The Moon, Earth's only natural satellite, has a captivating origin story. Today, the leading explanation is the giant impact hypothesis, a cosmic collision event. Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, Theia, a celestial object about the size of Mars, collided with the nascent Earth, triggering a massive ejection of debris. This ejected debris eventually began to coalesce under the influence of gravity, initiating the formation of the Moon we see today. The giant impact hypothesis solves several lunar mysteries. It explains why the Moon's composition mirrors Earth's mantle and why the Moon lacks an iron-rich core. Make no mistake, the creation of our Moon was not a quiet affair, but an event that was both violent and beautiful, leaving us a shimmering satellite to gaze up to in the night sky.
Wow, that was just an impressive video for just 5 seconds work from my side. I was really impressed with the quality. Now let's look at the 3D animation, and we can configure the aspect for this video. I'll select a 9:16, and for voice, in order to show you how the voice cloning works, I'll add voice, but there's no option to actually record my own voice. So what we will have to do is record our voice using an app on our system and just upload it here. For that, I'll open my Windows and select the sound recorder. This is my sample voice that I want to use to create videos. So this is how I sound like. So this is just a sample. So I have just created the sample video here. So I'll just take this recording from here and I will drag it here. I'll have to actually go in and select the recording from my system. Let's give it my name. That's Joven. Okay. So it asks for a consent. All you need to now is to just click on yes, and the file upload is successful. As you can see, now you can see my name here. There is no minimum duration or anything like that. You just need to record a small sample of your video, and that's enough to train the AI for your voice. Okay, for the story, I'll ask, why do babies cry? You can also change the style of the video here. So I can just select this style, or maybe this. Okay, this I'll do, and I can make it public. Okay, now let's go and create and see the video. This is also like a concept video. Transform my given idea into a story. Okay, just click continue. That's how lazy people do video creation. So it just wrote a small story for me and gave like small heading, standing in infants, why do babies cry? And it's again generating the storyboard, and so you can see the video is in queue and awaiting processing. I just refreshed it after 10 minutes and this is still in. Maybe I will update it when I get like an email notification. Finally, like after 20 minutes, I got a message that the video is ready. So now let's see how it looks. In the early months of life, a baby expresses its needs mainly through crying. It could be hunger, discomfort, fatigue, or even boredom, leading to their crying. The character of different cries can indicate varied needs of the baby. Recognizing these can guide parents and caregivers to apprehend what the infant needs. Prolonged crying, especially during episodes of colic, can be fatiguing and troublesome to both the baby and caregivers. However, it's usually not a sign of severe illness. Understanding the underlying factors for crying and identifying different types of it helps in adjusting to the baby's needs and making them comfortable. That sounds somewhat similar to my voice, but it's exactly not the same. But it's really helpful not to stand out from the normal AI voice. This will help you like distinguish make if you use the AI clone feature. And in the last two videos that I created, the captions did not work, but for this, for some strange reason, it worked. So that is definitely a bug. So in order to sum up, this has like really good potential and the can actually improve the rendering speeds, because this 3D animation video took me around 20 minutes. This 4K animation took around like 8 to 9 minutes, and this image generation video took me like 3 to 4 minutes. There's a lot to improve in terms of the rendering speed. Also, all the transitions that I make in the video, and more options when it comes to the captioning. And there are a lot of bugs. Sometimes it's not working as it's expected, but this software definitely has potential. So I would definitely recommend you guys to test this out. Now about the voice is exactly not similar to my voice after they renders it, but it's always to have our own voice in order to start from other generic AI voices. So in that way it will help us a lot when we create videos. And the other that I want to convey here is like since it's generated images, we can actually generate videos any topic, right? So there is no restriction on the particular stock media library. If it was like the traditional stock media library, we may not get images that's suited for that particular scene, right? So since it's AI generated, it can come up with any images as per your context that you give. So in that way, this is going to be like a really cool for people who want to create faceless YouTube videos and want to generate videos fast, especially to create story type of videos or concept explanation, quotes. There are a lot of videos that can create with, but you'll have to have the higher tier for it if you are actually serious about creating videos with this software, because with the basic tier you will only get, if it's any kind of animation video, the 4K animation video, you can only generate up to like 5 videos. That's my take on ReelCraft. A good attempt by the developers, and I see a good future for this software as well. So if you are interested, you can check this out to pick it up when their lifetime deal exists. So I'll have the link in the description if you want to check that out. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.